So today's video is very exciting. It is a recipe for banoffee pie. It is also a collaboration with the lovely Marwa Chebbi on YouTube, and she is lovely. She does so many videos about family, kids, vlogs, very similar to mine. She does a lot of recipes which look delicious. We've decided to do banoffee pie the way that we make it because we realise that a lot of people make the same things, but there's so many different versions, so I thought we would see how different or how similar our versions are. So this is my version. If you're here from Marwa's channel, then please subscribe to my channel. I make videos very similar about family, a lot of vlogs right now because I've got 2 young kids and it's very hard to do videos with 2 young kids. So I'm trying to do a lot more than just vlogs. So stay tuned for more, and yeah, let's get into the video. This recipe is a very easy recipe. It's so simple, there's no cooking involved. I'm going to measure out the biscuits first, and I'm going to use chocolate digestives because I think banoffee pie isn't chocolatey enough. It's just better with chocolate biscuits in my opinion. I'm going to put them in a plastic bag. These ones are from IKEA. I'm going to use a rolling pin to crush the biscuits. So I have a sleeping baby, so I'm not going to go bash, but you can do that. I'm just going to do this. Once they look like this, you can put them in a bowl. This is the consistency that they should be. Next, you want to add melted butter to your biscuit. And then I'm just going to mix that until it's all combined. And it should look like this. And then you want to pour all of this into a pie dish, or you can use one of those cake pans, the springform ones, but I'm going to use a pie dish today. So I'm going to put all of that into there, spread it out a little bit, and then I'm going to use a glass to push it down so it's nice and tightly packed. And then I'm going to use a spoon to make it smooth and precise. So I'm going to do the edges more neatly with the spoon. And this is how it should look. So now I'm just going to stick this in the fridge for about half an hour until it's set nice and firm. So it's been chilling for about half an hour and it's hard, like it won't fall out now. It's nice. So you want to open your caramel and to get whatever's on the lid off. You just want to smooth it around until it's nice and flat. I'm going to stick this back in the fridge just for a little bit while I chop the bananas. Now that all of the bananas are chopped, I'm going to put all of the bananas on top of this. So I'm just going to put them on very randomly with my fingers. This is going to go in the fridge again while I whip the cream. I'm going to pour this whole thing, which is 300 ml, into here. I'm just going to whip this. So now we have a lovely little helper right here. Say hello. Hello. Right, so what we're going to do now is put the cream into a bag. Some people might say this is very extra, but I am very extra when it comes to baking. I'm not even going to lie. So I'm going to cut this. I'm going to put this into there, and perfect. See? There you go. Then I'm going to put this into a glass. Open it up. And then I'm going to use a spatula to put all of this lovely cream that we whipped into here. Now I'm going to do some lovely patterns on here. So I'm going to do big fat blobs all the way around. Okay?
Whoa!
Does that look cool? You be careful. I'm just going to fill in any gaps with any remaining cream that you have in the bag. So that there's no banana found. Yes, we'll taste it after, okay?
No, it's not. It's disgusting.
It's not disgusting. That's very rude, actually, Lisa.
Yes,
Don't say that.
it's yours.
It looks amazing, doesn't it?
Yay!
Does it look pretty?
Yeah!
There we go. And that is the cream done. But to finish it off, I'm going to use some chocolate. This is a 30p one from Tesco. And I'm going to use a potato peeler, and all I'm going to do is just grate the edges so that it all falls onto the chocolate, onto the cream.
This is yours.
Like so. And then it just looks so pretty, doesn't it?
Yeah.
This is all done now. This is the final result of it. This is one way to make a banoffee pie. If you want to know another way to make a banoffee pie, head over to Marwa Chebbi's channel. The links will be in the description for her channel and her video. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see any more recipe videos, and let me know what you want me to make in them, and I will try to do it. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Say bye, guys!